It was a last pitch effort to stay in business. This business had beat the crap out of me to the extent I didn't think I could keep going. I'm not proud to admit that, but I am proud that I took that step to join this program. Went from my life being a disaster to every area of my life thriving, being abundant as a result of applying what this course taught me. I had to float the cost on credit. I didn't have the cash for the initial deposit, but a few short months later, I had more cash in the bank than I've ever had in my life. Hey guys, I'm Justin Boone. I've been serving families in the Hampton Roads real estate market for about almost a decade now, since 2017. It's been a long, rewarding journey so far. Really grateful I was able to link up with the Real Estate B School. After seeing some of the training they were doing for free and just putting out there, that helped me make up my mind, knowing that I was working with people who are value oriented instead of like just success, push. This was the first coaching program I encountered that looked at not just my production, but every area of my life, so I could get a better assessment of how I want my life to be. Been through Keller Williams MAPS coaching, Buffini referral coaching. I've done accelerated breakthrough coaching. I've done all kinds of programs, but nothing compares to what this is in terms of helping you be the designer of your life. I was just like a lot of other agents out there, trying to pay my bills, keep the pipeline full, and keep the closings coming. And the problem with that for me was it was a lot all the time and only me to manage it. I was taught how to become an owner of a business. And that shift in my mindset changed everything. It's not just you and your coach that you check in with, it's you and a whole community of people implementing the same things to take their businesses to the next level. It's a living thing with people there to help you out. So my favorite part of the program was the fact that with all the tools, all the processes, all of the teachings, it was laid out in a way that made it easy to digest, and more importantly, it was easy to implement and apply to my business. So that was the biggest thing, having all of it chunked down in a way that made sense, so I can strategically build one rock on top of another. In the past, I've worked with coaches who had walked me through the methods and what needed to be done, but nobody could help me bridge the difference between what was actually happening when I'm sending these video market updates, when I'm sending all the content on social media, making sure it resonated with who I am and the business I'm in and wasn't just real estate. So he helped me articulate pieces that would actually be beneficial, not just spammy stuff, but actual things of value to bless those families with. Additionally, because of how awesome this program was, they didn't stop at all. They kept pouring into me when they saw I needed some help with my mindset. I was assigned somebody to help work with my mindset. He actually knew the challenges I was going to face and could help me meet those challenges before they stopped me from being as productive as I'd like to be. It was a last pitch effort to stay in business. This business had beat the crap out of me to the extent I didn't think I could keep going. I'm not proud to admit that, but I am proud that I took that step to join this program. Went from my life being a disaster to every area of my life thriving. A few short months later, I had more cash in the bank than I've ever had in my life. While that might be appealing, knowing that I could duplicate the results I achieved consistently makes all the difference in the world. I would absolutely recommend the Real Estate B School and their $1 Million Agent program to any agent out there who wants to stop with the grind and actually become the owner of their business.